professional dust cleaning and concepts. Open the motor assembly. Add the water to the pointed position. Close the motor assembly. Be sure the front dust pod is closed. Check if the dust bag assembly correctly. Connect hose to the top dust pod. Connect external tools to control the vacuum cleaner. Connect power. Start to clean dust. Washable dust bag. Recycle using makes more affordable. JN501 has 3-stage filtration system. Large garbage segregated by dust bag. Dust dissolved in water. Meanwhile, the HEPA can effectively filter exhaust gas. Clean air comes out from the JN501 vacuum cleaner. Manual anti-blowing dust function and self-cleaning filter system, and ensure uniform high suction, continuous strong suction. The reserved pods can expand dust-free dry grinding system. General dust cleaning. Open the motor assembly. Be sure no water in the tank at the same time. To assemble the dust bag if there's no dust bag. Move end cap to the top dust pod. Connect hose to the front dust pod. Connect telescopic tube and brush. Start to clean dust. Water cleaning. Take off the HEPA and assemble foam filter. Move end cap to the top dust pod. Connect hose to the front dust pod. Start to clean water. The inner valve design, self-stop with high liquid level. The size above functions, JN501 also includes below features. Dry, wet, and blow multifunction increases practicability. Humanized design ensure the working efficiency. Speed adjustment to control the suction freely. Front combined type air blowing outlet is closed outers when not used. The rounding and hidden air intake and outlet design, low noise. The rotated pushing handle set, each move and strong. Cord clamping, more tidy and safe. Metal plastic tube supporter. Side storage design, convenient. Front and rear separated wheel, stable and durable. Not only at hotel or warehouse, but also at dust-free workshop.